welcome. So, on my channel here, I am doing video gaming because, yeah, this is a game I have seen a lot being streamed, and I have to find out what this is about. So, this is called Sons of the Forest, and I don't really know what this game is about, aside from you are a guy sent to an island to rescue somebody, and you have to... It's a survival game. It's a lot of wood logs and cabin kind of stuff. So you know what? Let's do this. Normal mode. I should probably have the light on while I do this. It's fine. Y'all aren't watching the little thumbnail down here. You're watching me, if anyone's watching. And if you are, then cool. Puff Corp. Okay. Start off in this helicopter. There's an island. There's a buoy. That's exciting. I like the rain droplets. Ooh. Why do I feel like that lightning bolt's important? Alright, looking away. Hey, there's Fisheye and... What's your name? Kelvin? Cool. Oh, I got a laptop. Sweet. Yeah, okay. Cool. So I got these people and some island spots, and yeah, cool. All right. Let's close up our laptops, boys, and get started. Is this a new game? Hey, thank you for joining. Yes, this is a new game. As I have understood it, it came out at the end of February, and I'm playing it on PC. It's called Sons of the Forest, a sequel to just The Forest. So yeah. I am very new to this whole Twitch thing, but I love streaming. So yeah. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. Mayday! Mayday! But yes, if you were just asking if this is a new game, yes, I'm starting the game from scratch. I just got this, like, today. Uh-oh. Oh, that's not good. Ow. Oh, hey, there's someone here to rescue me. Oh, nope. Nope, nope. Definitely not rescuing me. Ow. Oh well. Okay. Let's get our bearings. Where are we? Oh. We're by a river. In the snow. Oh, thankfully I landed next to my emergency backpack. That's good. I think this counts as an emergency. Yep. Alright. Like I say, I've briefly played maybe half an hour of this game. So I've learned a little bit about what the controls do, but aside from that, not a whole lot. I know that I don't hold down E when I get up to my stuff because I accidentally eat pills that I don't want to because I'm not needing them. A stick. Yeah. Oh, well, alright then. Okay. I want to get all my container things here with all my little stuff. Oh. Hey, dude. You okay, bro? I know. That was pretty hectic what we just went through. I'll be right with you. Okay, I'm just going to go look at my stash and see if there's any supplies we need. You good? You good? Okay. This game looks cool. How much does it cost? I believe this game was $30 on Steam. Oh, nope. Don't want that. So, not terrible. And if I understood right, this is still an early release game. Like, it's still in development. So they are coming out with updates for it a lot of patching. But you know what? For the effort that they put into it already, this game looks crisp. I mean, look at the snow. I am making footpaths through the snow. And this is like not even full graphics card, full graphics capability. Like, whee, whee. So, yeah, I love that. I know, dude, you're hurting. I'll be right with you. Okay, I need to get some tape. Yeah, he looks fine to me, too. You know what? Uh-oh. No, he does not look fine to me. He's very much yeah. He is a past tense. Sorry, yeah. Can I see him from the inside? This is a little bit morbid, but I am playing this for the first time, so yeah. Hey, okay. And let's see. Yeah. He's out. He's done. Yeah. Sorry, dude. All right. Well, this is the first person you can come across. This is Kelvin. Hey, dude. How you doing? Yeah. All right, how are you feeling? Oh. He is disoriented. Uh-oh, those eardrums are not doing well. Let's check your cognitive skills. Can you follow my pen? Yeah? Yeah, you can. All right, cool. Cool, dude. Yeah, you're fine. You're just a little bit audibly impaired. Sorry. Follow me. Okay, so this is a sketch pad that you can give him instructions. So this is the beginning of the game. You were just flying in a helicopter and you're like, oh, we gotta rescue some people, and then you get shot down. And this guy crash lands with you, and his eardrums are gone. He can't hear anything, so you have to write him notes. So I want to tell him, you know, follow me. You have to write that note down and show him, hey, do this. Read that. Do you understand? Yes? Okay, yeah, cool. You understand, dude. All right. So now he has some instruction, and he follows you. So he's a good guy. He just, you know, bleeding eardrums. Nothing too serious. All right, let's look at my inventory. All right, so this is everything. You can like kind of scroll around. So you got your ammunition, you got explosives here, you got a backpack, some tarp things. So all throughout the game, you collect a lot of stuff, and it's pretty widespread. Tactical jacket, where? Yeah, all right. So I want to click on this one first because it's the nope, because it's the important stuff. That is so cool. The bleeding eardrums or the inventory? I'm not sure which part you're saying that to. All right, so this is the map for the game. You know, GPS, satellite coordinates. I'm not sure if I can zoom in on that or not, but you got the day and the time of day that you got. Looks like the minutes are like 5 seconds apart. Not bad. So M for that. Inventory. Now this is what I did not get. Oh, cool. Circuit board. So you got things right here. It's your guidebook, your recipe book for, you know, things you can build, things you can do when you collect sticks and logs and whatever. This is what I didn't know. As far as how to save the game, you have to build a tent first. That is where you save. I guess your bed is where you save. Kind of like a Fallout sort of thing. Oh, you can only save when you're in bed. I was thinking, the game looks so cool and crazy. It's not in the full version yet. Right? I mean, this graphics cards wise, let's go to options, graphics. I mean, I'm only using high quality. This isn't even top tier. This is just so my laptop here doesn't overheat or anything. Oh, cool! I can still look around. Huh. Back? Yes. So yeah, let's check out the snow. Look at the detail of that snow. Hey, Calvin. Yeah, nice hair. Whoa, whoa! Whoa. That. I do not like this. Nope. I am inside your head, dude. Okay, that's gonna be weird. Okay, go back to the inventory. I'm going to give hotkeys to this, so knife is number 1, axe is number 2. I think lighter can also be something. I'll put that as like 0. So that's how you can like set campfires. Alright. Now in this game you do have hunger, thirst, fatigue. You also have boredom. You can get tired. So yeah. I want to fish. Do I have to be crouching to do this? Or do I need a spear? Ah, no, I got it. Sweet. Haha. Raw fish collected. Nice. That's one thing this game does not have. A crosshair. Actually, does it have a crosshair? Graphics, gameplay, display, brightness. Nope. Gameplay. Crosshairs would be nice. Just saying. Also, big head mode. I don't like it. For any who have played ye olde GoldenEye on the Nintendo 64, this should be very familiar. I don't like it. I am not a fan. Big head mode off. Structure damage. I want to keep that on. Adds to the difficulty of it. Alright, features. Do I have crosshairs? Nope. Contact shadows, bliss, blah 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 blah. Clouds and everything. Alright, this is just graphics. Display. Do I also have subtitles? I don't know if there's actual dialogue in this or not. Audio. Voice. That's a lot of noises for voices to be happening all at once. Oh. Okay, cool. Well. Alright, you. Let's go find somewhere to build a base. So we got our map. And we got those points on there. I guess there's also caves, and the K is for Kelvin. That's that guy right there. Oh, that's what I also want to look at. The bark on this tree. That is so realistic. Like, specifically, when you start chopping at it. Chop it. Chop. And you gotta move around to the side. And timber. It's a lot more realistic than in Minecraft. That's basically what this game is. It's like better Minecraft. Alright. I made a stump. Sadly, I cannot collect any of that because that would be good firewood or something. Yeah. Is that a... Oh. Yay, I found a rabbit. Yay. I can cook it. I can make cook meat. Haha. Alright. Log building. This is kind of where this game shines. You can build cabins. So the whole point of the game is an open world game or story. As far as I'm aware, this game, the premise of it is you're here looking for someone. I guess a billionaire and his wife and his daughter. So 3 people. And you're supposed to find them, but you get shot down, and now you have to... It's a survivor game while you look for them. So the story kind of unveils itself as you go. But as far as the building aspect of it, you can carry these logs, and you stare at the ground, and you can, boom, put one right there, and you can make a ramp out of it, and build structures this way. So very log cabin style, so I'm guessing that's where the Sons of the Forest, aspect comes into it. But in your inventory booklet here, it's where it tells you, okay, here's how you can build things. Here's how you can build, a wall, a fence, a door, what have you. So there's a lot of maker aspects in this game, but you gotta collect everything. I'm gonna drink some water. Thankfully, the water is not toxic or anything. Otherwise, I would have to worry about sickness. Like, you've gotten diarrhea. Congratulations. Or if this is like the Oregon Trail, you gotten dysentery. Alright, and boop. Nope, I did not want to put that there. So fortunately, you can use and reuse these logs. So it's not like, oh, you put it down, oh, you gotta redo it. But if you chop it down, come in. How do I do that? So I can make points out of it. So depending on how you... What is happening? Kelvin, what are you doing? So yeah, depending on what you do with your walls, you can make them like defensive. And, yeah. But yeah, other than that, yeah, it is just a big open world thing. And apparently there's cannibals in this game, and there are mobs to fight off. But I have not encountered any of that. Right now I'm just deciding where do I want to put a base. So I don't know about any of the updates or the bugs or glitches or issues that this game has had up until now. So going into it pretty blind. Oh, that is a drop. Alright, well, I want to put myself down. I don't know, I kind of like right there, but that's too close to the helicopter wreckage, and I do want some semblance of space. But I do want to be near water. You know what? Forget it. I'm just going to set down the tarp right here just so I can save the game and go from there. Alright. And now I can save. So, I'd already started the save game today, but I'm going to replace over it. But I'm basically in the same spot where it was before. Alright. I need a little bit of sleep, but that's fine. I want to make a fire. Okay. How do I make a fire? Inventory, booklet. How do I do that? Fire. I need a stick and a lighter. So I need to break the stick, put it down, and then light it on fire. Reinforced fire. Oh. Rocks. Okay. Cool. Is this... Aha. Yes. And... Fire? Fire? Yes. Do I... That. Yes. Aha. I have made fire! Yes. I am feeling my inner Tom Hanks on a desert island because, quite literally, this is an island. What do I do here? Oh, sweet. Cook the fish. Cook the meat. They are cooking. Cool. I don't need that anymore, so I'm just gonna... How do I know when it is done? I don't want the lighter out anymore. Rough. Oh, it's still okay. So I need to put the fish back. No! The fire! Okay, so I need. Hey, Calvin, Calvin, buddy. Hey. Can you go get rocks and drop here? Yep, you do that, buddy. I'm going to head out. Would love to come back and see what you when do you stream at? You know what? I am very new to Twitch, so I literally am just starting. So probably around this time, I think you would be finding me. So yeah, thank you for coming. I appreciate you. You're supposed to be collecting rocks. Can you go do the rocks, please? Why are you not looking for rocks? Wait, Kelvin? Kelvin? I don't want to be that kind of manager. Okay. Do I need to re-instruct you on how to do things? Go get rocks. Bring them here. Why are you not moving? There you go. Good job, Kelvin. You will continue to be an asset to this team. Cooked fish. Oh, good. So I have cooked meat. Cooked. Okay, so that'll do better. Raw fish. Whatever. At least I have food when I need it. Buddy, why are you doing that? Okay. Let's drink some water, I guess. Okay, so let's see which one. Well, thank you for coming. You have a good night as well. Hopefully by then I'll have figured out this whole Twitch thing. Okay, Kelvin, you're just wandering around. I don't have time for that. And I have lost my campfire. Campfire. Oh, there you are. Although it is just 2 sticks. Okay. I'm gonna make a thing. Here, Kelvin. Kelvin. Here. You get logs and drop here. Yes. You do that. I'm going to chop it. Chop it. Chop. 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 Chop it down. Chop it. Chop it. Chop it. Calvin, I'm sorry. Well, you got in my way, man. Well, I know you're okay, because reasons. Okay. Why don't you take over? If you make that fall on me, I'm gonna be a little irritated. I'm not gonna be happy. Kelvin, that was a great job, Kelvin. Good job. I'm just gonna take a couple of these. Why do I still have the lighter out? I don't want the lighter. How do I unequip the lighter? I don't want the lighter equipped. How do I... That's how I put that away, but how do I... Oh, forget it. Okay. Let's put that there. And now, let's see. Sure. Let's do that. I'm gonna go grab these logs from over here because reasons. Because who's gonna stop me? Apparently I'm out here to go find my boss, billionaire person. But he will not begrudge me spending a little free time building up the defenses. Okay, cool. Yeah, let's put that right there. So we're just gonna have this little hillside little cabin here. Nice. I don't know what that is. It'll probably, you know, haunt me someday. Do I want to go that direction? No, I want to go this direction. Yes. There's an eagle. So majestic. Kelvin? Kelvin? Or I should look at my map. Hey, Kelvin. How you doing, buddy? You are doing great. Where are you dropping that? You are dropping those off of a literal cliff. Kelvin, we're gonna have to talk about your efficiency. Yeah. I'm guessing I'm this guy's supervisor or senior officer a little bit. Hey Kelvin, buddy, sir. That log just dropped out of existence. Hey bud. Hey, could you instead bring those logs and drop them here? That would be great. That would be amazing. I would appreciate that. And do you know where that log is that just dropped out of existence? If you could go get that? Okay. I'd appreciate it. That would be amazing. Okay. Now I can look at my map. There. Okay, that's how I put away the lighter. Weird. Okay. I want to go help him do some logs. Do some logs? Really? Oh, sticks. I do need sticks. Hey, how you doing? To open my inventory, press I. Is that a rock? Yes, I need rocks. Oh, okay, see, I like that. I like that they're highlighted a little bit so you can keep track of them. Ooh, there was another stick. Sweet. I like sticks. Because if there's anything I've learned from a survivalist game like this, always pick up sticks. Because you never know. You never know what they're going to be used for. Stick. Wait, is there another one? Yes. Okay. Stick. Man, that is not easy to see. Okay. Wait, can I jam these right into the wall? That would be great. Oh, that is what's happening. Kelvin, I swear if that falls on me, I'm not gonna be happy. Calvin. That was a little close, dude. Okay. I think this is a good wall spot. So let's turn here. Okay. Let's grab a log. Let's grab that one. Hey, Kelvin, buddy, can we... You know what? No critique. You're doing great. You've had a rough day. You crashed in a helicopter, and you're here with your nagging supervisor guy. And you know what? That's okay. You do you, bud. Maybe I should have made a floor first. How do I make a floor? Fence. No, floor. Okay. Put down a log, make a little frame. And just like that. Sounds straightforward. So I need to lay it down like that. Okay, you know what? That is fine. Let's... Do I want to do that? Yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Let's... Oh, nope. What happened? Oh, Q and R. My bad. Okay. That sounds like a whooshing noise. That's not ominous at all. Okay. Okay. Cool, cool, cool. Let's get some more. That looks like a storm. Wait, no. Okay. Okay. So now I have a frame. Now I need to... There's a bunny up there. Sorry, bunny. You are going to become food. Okay, okay, okay. So now I've made a floor. So I'll do that with another log. Ugh, I need a crosshair. Like, it's a small thing, but okay. Okay, I don't... Okay, so now I can split them. Okay. That is such a weird configuration, but like I get it. Okay. There we go. Okay. Now I got a floor. And it is dark. I should probably sleep or something. And it is cold. Keldon? Keldon, dude? Sir? Buddy? Hey, can you come back here? I'm scared. Hey, yeah, just follow me. If you did not have that little blue light, I would have no idea where you were. Okay. So we're gonna... Okay. Well. We're gonna sleep for a while. Oh, wow. That got bright. Bunny. Sorry, bunny. Where did the bunny go? Bunny. Whatever. Fine. I am hungry. Okay. I will eat. Nom nom. Okay. Cooked fish. I will eat the cooked fish. That... Oh dear. Wow. That was something. Is my campfire still right here somewhere? I would like to make something. Okay, so I equipped it. All right, I'm gonna make the fire right here. Okay. 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 Gonna light the fire. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna take the rock. Okay. Is that it? I mean, I got a lot of sticks here. Like, a lot of sticks. Oh wait, I don't want necessarily that. Remove. Combine. Craft a spear. Oh, I do need 2 sticks for that. Okay. And now tape. Combine. Yes, okay. So now I'm making a spear out of my knife. No, I used it to make a spear. Ha ha ha. Sweet. So this make it easier to fish. Sweet. Wow, that makes it really. Oh, hi. Shoot. I can't. Okay. Dead fish. Come here. Fish. Fish. Okay. Cool. Cool. Can I overcook the food? I don't know. How do I check on your status, dude? I do not know how you are doing. Take item. Okay. I don't know. Cooked fish. Cooked. Cooked. Okay, cool, cool. That one is not cooked. That is cooked yet. Yes. Ah. You hold on. You're probably hungry. Come here. Hey, come back. Dude. Take item. I am thirsty. Okay, fine. Fine. I am thirsty. So much detail. Okay, cool. Alright, I need to find that fish. Is that a very cooked fish? Like, can I keep the fish somewhere? Can I drop the fish somewhere? Okay. I can only keep that many fish with me. Cool. I will just leave that fish there. Okay. I guess that is what we're doing. This is day 2. Alright. Hi? That lady has 3 legs. What is happening here? Hi, she looks scared. Okay. She is running away from me. I want to interact with her if I can. Oh, nope, she is not a fan. I'm not gonna like hurt you or nothing. I am curious why you have 3 legs and 3 arms. She is very fast. She ran over my logs. That was rude. Alright, well, cool. You know what? 40 minutes into this game, this is probably a good stopping point. I have gotten a little bit of practice into what this game is. Trying to make a home in this, my new wilderness island. Okay. Boom. Okay, I need some more floor here, don't I? Yes. Floor. Haha. Okay, do you know her? No, you don't know her. Okay. Should we go talk to her? No. No, we should not talk to her. Okay. Bunny. Okay, ma'am, don't take this. Personally, I'm going to attack these bunnies. Why is this bunny so hard to catch? Okay, that did not work. I need something easier. Alright, this will be number 3. We'll see how the spear does against bunnies. Okay. I went by the way of the knife. She'd probably get scared if I did that. Hi. Nope. Nope. She's not interested. Not. Okay. No consent. That's fine. That's fine. Burp. I am all about your boundaries. So, you do you. You let us know if we... Okay. And I'm going to put these logs there and make ourselves a cute little cabin here. This is absolutely the most I have ever done with Lincoln logs. Okay, that is that. So I want to go ahead and stop the recording here for day 1 or 2 of Sons of the Forest. And you know what? Sometimes you meet new people along the way. Sometimes you meet 2 people. I'm sorry, Kevin. I'm trying to have a moment. Okay. Kelvin. I'm sorry I called you Kevin. That'll definitely happen again. Okay. She you know what? Yeah. We're okay. Bye. Anyways, so that's been day 1 of Sons of the Forest. Thank you for watching my my live and my stream here. Yeah. See how this goes tomorrow. Bye.